Hi everyone, my name is Harsha. So welcome to my Motion NFT Maker or Motion E review. So this is going to be launched on 10 p.m. It's the Sunday time on 21st July 2021, and it is created by Mr. Andrew. And this Motion NFT Maker, it's like a groundbreaking application for non-artists to make motion NFT crypto arts. So non-fungible token crypto arts, which people can sell on eBay-like sites to collectors and the speculators. And it's so people can forever automatically collect passive income every time with their NFT get resold again and again. So Motion NFT Maker includes like latest technology, CRA AI technology, this collision resolution algorithm, artificial intelligence technology that which allows people to make this motion crypto arts NFTs by just simply clicking the application of inside the NFT maker. And this because of this CRA AI technology does all the heavy lifting that it's mathematically almost impossible for people to not to get any collector worthy result with this technology. And even it is not made for any art in their entire life, so that's of course no problem. And if they have no kind of technical experience at all, so you can just grab this NFT and just you can utilize with your future. So if this is the kind of software that you are searching, so be with me. I will just go through with the all the features of this NFT maker, and I have some bonuses also to give you. So with that, I will just coming through this software. So apart from that, this is NFT, this non-fungible token. It's a unit of data stored in a digital ledger called blockchain. So that certified the digital assets to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. So NFT can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audio, and other types of digital files. So you can have some kind of a fair knowledge about this software, so you can utilize for your passive income in future as well. So with that, I will just going to these bonuses that I am giving to you with this NFT maker. So I have created this bonus page for this NFT maker for you all. So it is bonus page look like this. So and you can have the demo video inside this my bonus page, so you can visit there. So you can you can access this bonus page by just clicking the link down below of this video, and you can just access to my bonus page. So I am giving the bonus number one, the easy web builder desktop application. So it is a complete web creation system for Windows and Mac. So no kind of expertise or knowledge on HTML is needed to create these web pages. And I will giving you with this private and commercial use application for with this NFT maker. So my bonus number two is this 2D animation studio. So it can creates film quality animation using vector and bitmap artwork. So this you can utilize with this NFT maker, this the huge bonus bundle. So bonus number two is giving to you all to utilize with this NFT maker, and it's you can create this 2D animation inside this bonus number two, and it's also giving you with the complete source code, so you can rebrand and you can resell it in future. And this my bonus number three is Compositor 2.0. So it is a best composition software for Windows and MacOS, and it is having features like you can offer robust and efficient tools for compositors to get your job done. And you have kind of you can join the community, interact with dozens of professional artists, compositors, and developers by using this compositor too. So there is another bonus I am giving it, this NFT maker. So you can utilize with this with your application. So my bonus number 4 is screen marker. So it is a on screen marker for annotation, presentation, and drawing. So it is called 1 million, one tool, 1 million users. So it is having features like easy annotation, and you can improve presentations and tutorials, and you can be more creative inside this bonus number 4 screen marker. So you can grab this bonus with this NFT maker. And I will come to bonus number 5 is SC video editor. So it is support for 4K resolution, and it's have video filter and video editing, and also the screen capturing capabilities. So it's also having the source code which you can rebrand as resell this feature, this bonus as well. So I'll give you this SC video editor with bonus number 5 and a lot more. Now, my bonus number 6 is Panorama Photo Stitcher for Windows. So you can assemble a mosaic of photo into a complete, impressive panorama with this Panorama Photo Stitcher. So you can utilize with this NFT maker to to integrate these photos, the panorama photos in the NFT, and it is also having the capability of rebranding and reselling. And my bonus number 7 is audio recording and editing software. So it is easy to use and multi-track audio editor with the recorder. It is for Windows and uh, Mac, and it is also you can simply you can resell, so because it is also giving with the source code. So that's kind of a huge bonus bundle I am giving you with this motion NFT maker called Motiony. So I have integrated with all these bonuses to grab with this NFT maker. So you can just utilize with this NFT maker to more customized by using this bonus package. So that's why I just included the all bonuses with this NFT maker. So with that, I will go to the sales page of this NFT maker. So it's this sales page is look like this. It is saying that groundbreaking application for non-artist makes motion NFT crypto art, which you can sell on eBay like sites to collectors and speculators. So forever automatically collect passive perpetual royalties every time your NFTs get resolved. So that's kind of a capability you have. You can just have better idea by searching just the prices of these NFTs. Have you just search about the price of this eBay, and the price of the Twitter, and price of the YouTube? So you can have the better idea of the how these NFTs are valued in the this blockchain. And it has kind of a this features, the world number one motion NFT maker application with this collation resolution algorithm, artificial intelligence technology, CRA AI technology, and it is convert any photo and image to crypto art NFT. And easy very used to thanks this technology, and include free software updates. You will get free updates, and it's a desktop based application, and you can have the commercialization also. So you have to grab this before this time, because this launch is offering this kind of the bonus package with the limited time, because of this the kind huge kind of the featuring application that ever been launched inside this market. So this is kind of a testimonial having in the inside of a sales page, and it is said that it is a three-step process. So the step number one is that you have to only select the picture, then select the areas you want to animate, then step number two is just exporting the picture, and you can have the crypto art NFTs very quickly and easy. So I will go through this sales page, and you can just go through your own time. So just you have to just click the link down below of my video, and you can just access this my bonus page. Then you can have the access of this sales page too. So it is saying that I will just show you the effects that have been created with this software. So you can have this what gives crypto art NFT value. So the blockchain gives crypto art's NFT value. So it's have kind of a description you can have. So even you can search in the Google. So how far that NFT have been just increased the price inside this blockchain. And I will just show there are some kind of a testimonial that of the people that it is having the thoughts by having the resolving of this reselling of this crypto arts in the blockchain. So I will just go through this the kind of the photos that created. This is a sales page, so you can have the all the features described inside the sales page. And this is the first one, that is the example. So this is the photo. Then after this, the going through the process of CRA AI technology, it is the crypto art NFT is looking like this. So you can see the how powerful of this software is. So then we'll see another one. See the other one. So this is the picture, and this is the crypto art NFT. So how nice is this? So you can just imagine how nice is this. So this is the third one. So see the effects. See the technological effects that put on the software, and how it look like after the product is being created in the NFT. So that's kind of uh, the capabilities have. So again, it is just giving the members area application. So just you have to just upload the picture, and then you have to just select the area that you want to just to animate, and it's after that just exporting of the video. Then you can have the effects as I just shown in earlier. So this the kind of coolest demo you will see. So you can just go with you. So and you can have the, the live effect inside the video, and this the and another one. So you can see the picture, and this is the motion CR the crypto arts with the technology. So see you can see another one. See the eyes are moving with this the after and the after the effect of the motion NFT maker. So it's giving you with the commercial license by Andrew. So nothing to worry about. So you have to grab it before the 9 hours of that I am recording this video. So it will most probably you will get this video within another uh, 20 to 25 minutes. So you have to grab it up very quickly to this with the NFT maker. So it has created unlimited number of crypto arts, and you can have HD resolution, step-by-step training, and fast and friendly supports and commercial lighting. You can sell unlimited crypto uh, art NFT. So this is the price that is giving with this NFT maker. So it's cost around only $27 one-time payment. So you can just grab the NFT before this offer expire. So just you have to just click the link down below of this video, and then you will come to my bonus page, and by clicking this green button, so you will directly go to the sales page, and by the after this going to this sales page, you will have this kind of a blue button, get motion NFT maker now. So by clicking that one, you will able to grab the your this NFT maker in a very limited time. So that's how this the NFT maker is being just created, and all about this NFT sales page. And I just want to give the this prices I already given you, and you can just access the by clicking the this link down below of this video to this NFT maker. So I will just give you the upsell and downsell. So there are front end cost Motiony cost around $27. The upsell number one, Motiony Pro, cost around $57, and it is you're having unlimited animation and length of video inside the Motiony Pro. So upsell number two is Motiony Enterprises. So it is 5 sub users and unlock 180p and 4K rendering within from $67. So upsell number three is NFT Vamp. It is cost around $37. So, and the Cinemagraph NFT maker, that is cost around 67. That is upsell number four. So that's kind of a this the price are just given to this motion NFT maker to grab you with the future this NFT creations. So you will have to grab this within as soon as possible to get this NFT maker. So I will go through the bonuses again that I am giving you with this NFT. So bonus number one is Easy Web Builder desktop application, and bonus number two is 2D animation studio for quality animation, and the bonus number three is compositor for the this efficient tool for compositors, and the bonus number four is screen marker for the online on-screen marker for annotation and presentation and drawings, and the bonus number five is SC video editor that is supporting for 4K resolution, and the bonus number six is panorama photo stitcher for Windows, and the bonus number seven is audio and video editing. And the that is how this bonus has have been created with this NFT maker, and that's you have to grab this opportunity this before expiring this the offers within another few hours. So that's how it's being created. So I think I have given you the fair knowledge about these NFTs and the motion NFT maker called Motiony with consists with this CRA and CRA AI technology. So that is the review about. So I think you will be getting this as soon as possible before this expires. The bonus are expired. So just I have come to the end of my review. So if you are if you are thinking that this is a good review, just hit the like button and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you very much.